Hello everybody, my name is Alex Reebsane, and today I will be walking you through the installation and first time setup of Bitdefender Endpoint Security for Mac. The first step is to download the Bitdefender installer. You should have received an email like this containing the links to the different installers, and as you can see there are two different links for Mac OS. One for the traditional Intel-based Macs, which is what I'll be using today, and one for the newer Apple M1 Macs. Once you've downloaded the correct installer for your Mac, you'll want to open up the installer package and launch the installer. Once you launch the installer, you'll be met with the following window. Go ahead and click Install and then enter your password when prompted to allow the installer to install Bitdefender onto your machine. Once the installer has finished, you will be met with this screen saying that the installation was successful. Go ahead and click Close and then move the installer to your trash. At this time, Bitdefender will now open automatically and will greet you with a message saying you are at risk. This message can be disregarded as these issues will go away as soon as you run your first full scan. You will also be met with pop-up messages asking to allow Bitdefender and its extensions access to your machine. Bitdefender must have access to your system in order to protect and scan your device. Once you've allowed Bitdefender and its extensions access to your device, go ahead and run a full scan. This process may take anywhere from several minutes to several hours. Once the scan is complete, you will be met with the following screen. At this time, it is now safe to close Bitdefender. After Bitdefender has been installed and the first scan completed, you are able to run subsequent scans at any point in time. In order to run another scan of your system, you must first launch the application and then select either Quick Scan or Full Scan from the menu.